a feature in Azure where you can select to store as file storage or blob storage or?
Blob storage in Azure.
Yeah. Is that object? Oh, it looks like it's object there. Just wondering.
So talking about this.
Yeah. Because we have
So
storage that is blob storage.
Yeah. So it will be means you are using blob storage for your storage purpose only on Azure. Okay.
Yeah.
So how flexible it is? How quickly it is?
Oh, you're asking me?
Show.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm asking you.
Here, let me show you a photo. Screenshot. It's pretty fast. And there we go. Let's show you this screenshot.
So you can see here different storage architecture of Azure. There are queue storage, table storage, blob storage, and file storage. Clear?
Yeah.
So the queue is table and REST blob is uses REST technology, okay, to transfer data, where the file storage uses the REST/SMB client as well, SMB free, the latest version of Samba for file sharing.
Okay. Yeah.
Clear? But these are the feature that is available on cloud as a service. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
But the you know what is cloud? So cloud is nothing like that. People do understand everything is available on cloud. Nothing is available on cloud. Only the thing is that the service providers like AWS, Google, Microsoft, they have hosted their data center, different location, different physical location, and from there they are pulling their services on cloud on a public IP. Clear?
Yeah.
That is what known as cloud. Okay. So in the back end, what kind of storage they are using on their physical servers?
Okay.
That is the very important part. That play a very important part, that how quickly your data will be moved on cloud as well. Clear?
Okay. Yep.
Any doubt?
I just guess I need to know how these three storage types relate to Azure's different named storage types, I guess. So I guess
basically,
yeah.
Yeah, basically, if on when you come to the store AWS, okay, the name might be different. When you come to the Azure, the name might be different, okay, because we are using different service provider, and even we come to the, let me show you.
So which one would be which then, if you had to say?
So in AWS, you can see Amazon S3, then there's Amazon Glacier, then there's Amazon EBS, then there's Amazon EFS.
Okay, yeah.
It's a file storage, it's a block storage, it's archival storage, and it's a durable object storage.
Okay, so would you say there's a fourth one, which would be archival storage?
This one is the file storage.
Yeah.
The EFS.
My question is the archival storage there, is that object or block, or is that a new one?
So archive storage is totally different in this. The block storage is this Amazon EBS. is one with the block storage, which reduce the size. Okay. Means whatever the amount of data is there, you are copying, it will automatically keep it in a reduced format. Means, or you can say in the compressed format.
Yeah.
Clear?
Okay.
So you means on the different service provider, if you want to compare it, then there will be different in the naming convention. Okay.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
in the backend, only these three things work: file, block, and object. Okay. Either you will going to keep your file data in a file, or in a block, or in an object format. Clear?
Yep.
But with the different service provider, they might use their own point of naming convention to represent it. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt? Any questions?
No, that's fine. I just need to establish that it was just naming convention difference. That's all.
Yeah, absolutely. So, because I will be more happy to address your query before proceeding and further.
No, that's fine. I understand. Thank you.
Now, personal cloud storage. So, home user and a small business utilize cloud storage on a relatively small scale. Absolutely. If I want to keep anything, I want to store anything. So, rather than going on AWS or Google Drive or Azure OneDrive, I will be more happy to keep the things on my laptop hard disk and in my USB hard disk.
Yeah.
Clear? But in case there are some data which is very important for me and that I need to have access at any point of time from anywhere, so I can't carry my hard disk everywhere. I can't carry my laptop everywhere every time. So for that point of time, what I can do, I can keep my important data on AWS, on Gmail, Google Drive, or OneDrive, or any public cloud with the password protected, so that at any point of time, if I need, I can access it. Clear?
Yeah.
It depends upon the criticality basis which data is critical for me. But the majority of the home user and small user do not use the cloud model. They use in-house solution. Cloud storage technology may be provided by network attached storage. So in the organization, the people use a NAS and SAN. Okay. There are two devices. One is known as NAS, network attached storage. You can see a box like this. And there is a SAN, storage area network, which is totally a server. Okay. It's totally a server which has a space only. You can put it on an IP and you can access anywhere or everywhere. If you can mount it with a public IP, okay, you can map it with a public IP, you can access it from anywhere or everywhere. And they are fast as well. NAS is slow in comparison to SAN. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Then software defined storage. What are their characteristics? They are automated and management, standard management interface, virtualized data path for block, file, and object data, is scalable, flexible, and view all storage resources across all technology. So whatever data you are storing it on your AWS and Azure, you will see all these things. It is automated. It's automatically managed because it is so designed by that feature which gets managed automatically. Then they have their standard management interface. AWS have its own perspective, as I shown you that how they are managing, and Azure have its own way of managing their data. Okay.
Yeah.
But the virtualized data path, either it will be kept in a block or file or on object. These are the three way by which you will store your data, whether it's on AWS, on Azure, or on Google. Clear?
Yeah.
They are scalable because of publicly available. They are scalable as per the requirement. They are flexible, and also what all storage resources you are using across technology or across infrastructure, you can also view those things by logging to your console. Clear?
Yeah.
And what is the benefit of that? May use many types of storage media, flash, solid, virtual, cloud storage. Absolutely. As per their requirement, they on the back end, they might use flash drive, they might use solid state, they might use virtual disk, or they might use cloud storage. It's cost efficient by scaling out, not scaling up. Absolutely, as per your requirement, you can scale it up or scale it down. You can do it. And automated scaling without administrative intervention. If you have enabled automatic scaling, then it will do for you as per your business requirement. For example, you have a lot of hits on your website on any particular day, then your website will be configured to the multiple servers to serve the users request. And in case the number of requests get reduced, it automatically decommission those servers and come to the number of servers as per the user requirement. Clear?
Yeah.
Then CDN. So hope you are aware about CDN.
Not under that name, but I do kind of know what it does. Yeah.
Okay. So CDN is content delivery network. So AWS or any cloud service provider. You are in Australia.
Yeah.
Or any specific zone, might be in the southeast or in the east or west or north. Okay. Sections. So the cloud service provider have its own CDN to your nearest area. Okay.
Yeah.
So whatever data you are going to access, it will be connected to that CDN. Okay. First of all, to deliver your request, to fulfill your request as earliest as possible. So just understand, if this is not available, so what happens? So AWS have its data center in US. Clear?
Yeah.
So just assume that every time when your data need to be pulled out from US, will it take time or not?
Yes.
So to reduce that efficiency, to reduce that time, now the cloud service provider have designed this model, which is called content delivery. Okay. So which they have hosted, they have created a network, a delivery point, or on every country to the nearest zone, where once you hit, it will go reach, it will search for the nearest CDN, and they will connect to that only. Your system will connect to that CDN, and whatever you have asked to access, they will provide access to that. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
So it means you have hosted your server here. You can see here hosting, and you are sitting here. Hope you are able to see my pointer or not.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. So this is you. If you want to access this hosting, then what you need to do? Once you type it, it will not route to this. It will not go there. It will not go to here and there. It will go to the nearest one. Means this is the CDN for you, available for you. It will come to this, and from here only it will serve your serve request. Clear?
Yeah. Okay.
So by doing this, it will reduce the time. It will provide the best flexibility and best availability. Okay, and it suffix the user requirement. Clear?
Yeah.
Now guidelines, let's see what we have gone through with this. Insufficient network connection can negatively impact the business by slowing communication between cloud services and employees. Absolutely. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you have insufficient network connectivity, so it will drastically impact your business or communication between your employees or your services. Okay.
Yeah.
Also, it's highly recommended that you should secure your network communication for an administrative purpose by using protocols such as SSH, HTTPS, and RDP. Clear?
Yeah.
Then cloud storage impact the performance of cloud services, cloud consumers, and your customer. That need to be kept in a consideration. Choose storage by analyzing the type of data being stored and how quickly it must be access. So as per your requirement, as per your business requirement, you have to do analysis for that. And after on doing analysis, you have to enable your storage media accordingly. That whether you want to go with the hot storage or you want to go with the cold storage. Clear?
Yep.
Considering and implementing a content delivery network CDN to provide access to the resources from the data center that are relatively close to consumers. That's what we are talking just before slides. That CDN, they are delivering their CDN, they are configuring their CDN to the nearest to of every country, every state, so that the end user can reach very easily by connecting to the closest CDN to fulfill their request. Clear?
Yeah. Okay.
Any doubt so far?
No, that's fine. Okay, I got it.